everybody, and welcome to another Love Life with Gardening video. It is the end of a beautiful May weekend and I've been super busy in the vegetable patch, and I wanted to show you what I've been doing to build support systems for 3 of my vegetables: climbing beans, green beans, my cucumbers, and my tomatoes. So flowers are an explosion, and so are the vegetables. There's some spinach. My potatoes are starting to come up. I gotta cover them, mound them up with some more earth. Over here, down at the end, there's some aubergines. But what I wanted to show you is what I've done for my cucumbers. So those 3 plants there, and there will be more put in, are cucumber plants. And this is just a simple, really simple system, just using green wire mesh. And I was lucky this year. There was someone dumping rolls and rolls and rolls of it at the municipal dump, and I was able to retrieve it. Luckily the dump was full, and so it was just sitting on the top. So yeah, really easy. Just give it a vertical on a diagonal for it to climb up, and you'll just need to tie them in as they get longer. And then there's what I've built for my green beans. So it's kind of an archway. Let's see if I can go further back so you can get a sense for it. Yep. And again, I just used that green wire mesh that was going to go into the tip and become waste. And I just took bamboo poles, created a cross system, and then in the middle, I'm going to actually have 3 rows. So the beans will be down there. And they'll come up this system. And then in the middle, I actually had a really sturdy piece of fencing. So I put that in the middle, and I've just tied it with string to this cross beam. So it's pretty sturdy actually. And then same thing down there. So I just planted the beans this weekend, so there's no sign of them yet, of course. And then these flowers, I'm gonna let them flower. They're Love in a Mist. They're just so beautiful. I love their feathery leaves. And then once they have flowered, I'm gonna yank them out because they self-seed all over my garden. But I didn't have the heart to take them out just yet. And then last but not least, just take you on a tour, some garlic, lots of borage. I'm gonna have to pull this out because that's where my corn is gonna go and my squash. So this bed will be the 3 sisters of corn, squash, and beans, which is a traditional First Nations way of growing vegetables. Oh, so many beautiful things going on. Look at the irises. It really has been a fantabulous weekend. And then here are my tomatoes. And I use a lot of these curly stakes. They're pretty useful. But something I'm trying this year, since I have all this green wire meshing, is creating cages. I grow a lot of tomatoes in pots because they grow really well. And so I thought this year I would try using that metal mesh to support them. So there you are, some ideas how to support your plants, your vegetable plants, while they're growing this season. Happy gardening, everybody.